Good afternoon, everyone. I am Agam, and we are here to debate on the topics homemade food versus restaurant food. And I will speak in favor of homemade food. Homemade food is all-time free because and restaurant food never free because if restaurant owner free the restaurant, so he have loss, and homemade food is also free, but because but homemade food have many spices are present in homemade food.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because in homemade food we have to buy many things to cook the food. So we have to spend the money, and if we order the restaurant food, so our time that do not waste in cooking at home.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because restaurant food is very bad. So we eat the restaurant food, so we can ill. So our money is very much waste in medicines and in hospitals.
I don't agree with you. We are not eat the restaurant food daily because common man have not money when he is eat the restaurant food there. So he is eat the daily homemade food.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because there are in this time all people have money, so they can eat restaurant food, but in this time all people think his body, so they are not eat restaurant food.
In my opinion, village children are not eat the never eat the restaurant food because they have not very much money. Then they are.
Sorry to interrupt because in this time all villagers have very much money, so they can eat restaurant food.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because of village children's parents scold us when he tell to his parents to eat restaurant food. So they do not eat homemade food, and they sleep at night hungry.
In my opinion, if we eat restaurant food because our weight increasing and our lungs damage.
In my opinion, chief bear the claps to prepare the dishes, but not mother wear the claps to prepare the dishes.
Sorry, I don't agree, but if chef any wear the hand gloves, so hand gloves have many germs, and germs lie down in food. So we eat the restaurant food, so our body and our lungs are damaged.
But in my opinion, all chefs make precautions to food because if they not make precautions to food, the sale of a restaurant is very bad. So they make very high precaution.
In my opinion, but homemade food is very pure, and our health is not bad, and restaurant food is not pure, and our health is bad early. Sorry, I don't agree with you because in this time all chefs are cook the food precautions, so their food are healthy, so our health is not bad.
In my opinion, poor people does not eat the restaurant food because restaurant food is very expensive. So poor people does not poor people have not a lot of money.
In my opinion, poor people are not eat the restaurant food because they have not money, and cities people are eat only restaurant food because they like restaurant food. And there are many types in restaurant food like Maggie, pizza, and burger. But there are some types in homemade food like soup, rice, and bread.
Sorry, I don't like it because mother make the many types of food, and they cook the Maggie and restaurant food, and our mother is very intelligent, they cook the food. They cook the food for his child, and it is very helpful.
In my opinion, if we go to restaurant to eat the food, then if we can complain about restaurant manager, but we cannot complain about mother. So because mother beat us, so it is not good.
Sorry, I don't agree, but nothing will happen like this because any complaint for homemade food, and our mother cook the tasty food, so 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 any people come in your home, and only mother's child eat the homemade food. In my opinion, nowadays people live alone in other cities, and many people not learn cooking of food. So they go to restaurant and eat the food. So restaurant is very important for all pupils.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because in this time there are many villages have restaurants are not available, so villages people are eat restaurant or homemade food daily.
But nowadays, in all villages, all restaurants are available. Some restaurants are available in neighborhood cities. So all people eat restaurant food. According to me, but restaurant food is very unhealthy because their chef add a lot of cheese and then vegetables. So there's restaurant food is unhealthy. But
In my opinion, people eat food daily. That food like them, but very much people eat the restaurant food because they are eat the daily homemade food. Then why which they are bored.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because there are in this time all people are think about his body, so they are eat restaurant food in 1 month almost 1 or 2 days, and in this time all people eat homemade food daily.
But market food is best and very tasty because the chef of market and restaurant is very experienced, and they have many manner of.
In my opinion, restaurant waiters sometimes give stale food, but homemade food is fresh and nutrient.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because in this time all chefs cook the food freshly, and sometimes we are in emergency, and mother cannot cook the food quickly. If she cook the food quickly, then she pour the very much salt and oil. But restaurant chefs have very much experience, so they cook the food quickly. According to me, but if we cook the if we eat the food, so if we eat the food, so our health is very bad because restaurant food is very bad, and there's chef cook the restaurant food badly manner.
I don't agree with you, but restaurant chefs are wear the hand gloves. If their hand have many germs, then he have wear the gloves.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because in this time there are many chefs, many restaurant chefs are very bad and dirty, so they are not wearing hand gloves, they so they their food is very bad, so there are many people are ill.
In my opinion, sometimes mother tired, so we can eat the food restaurant.
Sorry, I don't agree with you. If we eat the food at restaurant, so our money a lot of spend.
Sorry, I don't agree with you because if we eat the homemade food, so we have to spend the money for bring many things.
Sorry, I don't agree because we spend the many money for cook the homemade food, and but if we eat the restaurant food, and restaurant food is very expensive, and